this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Xbox Remote Play on Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use any Xbox console alongside the Xbox app on your Android phone and use Remote Play. To do this, first, on the actual Xbox console itself, go into the settings, access devices and connections, and then remote features. Make sure that remote features alongside Play to streaming are enabled. Once both of these settings have been enabled, you can now proceed to the Xbox app. So if you haven't downloaded it already, open the Play Store and download the latest version of the Xbox app on your Android phone. You will sign in using your Xbox or Microsoft account, and finally, once you are signed in, you need to connect your console. Usually there will be a prompt to connect it, and after it is done, just tap on this button here at the top right. It should appear on this list. If you still haven't connected your console, you will also find a button here to add a new console to the app. Either way, add the console, and once it appears on this list, you can highlight it and then choose Remote Play on this device. The console must be powered on at this point, and if you did all of the instructions correctly, Remote Play will start right away. So you will see this loading screen, and after it is done loading, all of the touch controls will appear for you to use, and you can remotely control your Xbox using your Android phone. Of course, if you prefer, you can connect an Xbox controller to your phone and use it to play remotely. So just grab your Xbox controller, press the sync button, and if your Android phone has Bluetooth settings enabled, you can choose it from the list to use the controller instead of the touch controls. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.